Hans.
What?
Hey, Daddy. Oh. Did you hit something? Okay. Daddy's taking a day off, so what do you want to do?
Physics!
What?
Physics!
Why the heck would you want to do a hard subject like that?
Because I want my Angry Birds toy.
What is that? What does your Angry Birds toy has to do with physics?
Because it said excused.
Because why?
Because I want to get my Angry Birds toy.
Well, what does your Angry Birds toy has to do with physics?
Because the Angry Birds toy is the reward.
It's what?
It's the reward.
So how much Angry Birds? I'm sorry. How much physics do you have to do to earn your Angry Bird toy?
2 months.
2 months or what?
Physics.
How many minutes a day?
30.
Yeah. Can you tell us anything you've done so far?
We've done this.
Or what was it?
S equals acceleration times square.
Times what square? Oh, times square.
Yeah. Divide by 2.
Okay.
And that's a very
Did you
long
calculate?
method. Yeah.
Yes, this yesterday?
Here's my little rocket.
Yeah, was it fun for you? Yeah, it was?
Yeah.
Alright.
Can I